To import your Debank portfolio overview, start by accessing the Debank website and logging into your account. Debank is a popular platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency portfolios across multiple exchanges and wallets. Once you are logged in, navigate to the portfolio section where you can view your current holdings and transactions. To import your portfolio, you will need to connect your exchanges and wallets to Debank. This can be done by clicking on the Add Account button and selecting the exchange or wallet you want to connect. You will then be prompted to enter your API key or login credentials for the exchange or wallet. It is essential to ensure you are connecting to the correct exchange or wallet to avoid any errors or discrepancies in your portfolio overview. After connecting your exchanges and wallets, Debank will automatically import your transaction history and current holdings. You can then view your portfolio overview, which will display your total assets, net worth, and profit and loss. To get the most out of Debank, it is recommended to connect all your exchanges and wallets to get a comprehensive view of your portfolio. Additionally, you can also set up price alerts and notifications to stay up to date with market movements. It is also important to note that Debank supports a wide range of exchanges and wallets, including popular ones such as Binance, Coinbase, and MetaMask. If you encounter any issues during the import process, you can refer to Debank's support documentation or contact their customer support team for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily import your Debank portfolio overview and start tracking and managing your cryptocurrency holdings in one place. This will help you make informed investment decisions and stay on top of your portfolio's performance.